If you've ever had a PowerPoint presentation suddenly jump to the next slide just because you accidentally clicked your mouse or tapped a key, don't worry. Today, I'll show you exactly how to disable those automatic slide advances. This way, you stay fully in control of your presentation timing. First, open your PowerPoint file and head over to the Transitions tab at the top of your screen. On the right side, you'll see a section called Advance Slide. By default, there's a box checked next to On Mouse Click, and this is what makes your slides move forward when you click or press a key. To stop this, simply uncheck the On Mouse Click option. Now your slides won't change unless you decide to use another method, such as setting a timed advance or using specific navigation tools. If you want this change to apply to more than just one slide, make sure you select all the slides you want, then click Apply to All. This ensures the setting is consistent across your entire presentation, saving you from surprises during your talk. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've taken complete control over your slide flow. No more unexpected jumps or skipped points. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to leave a like and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.